Hello, beautiful soul. Let's channel some beautiful messages for you. I have already received the messages. Today is my first day of my period, and I was very rooted with collective energy. So, the number one message that I received for this collective is about health. Like, you gotta understand your health is your wealth. Don't live in distraction, don't live in unhealthy obsession with love, sex, and becoming the coolest or becoming the part of the coolest friend group. No, it will all distract you, it will all destroy your health and mental peace. Do the right thing for your health. And the message I was receiving was, as you start to take care of your health, as your prayers and intentions are in alignment, as your prayer becomes that God bless me with everything that I need to take care of my health, God support me in making choices that supports good health. As your prayers and your habits become in alignment with your health, you will always be supported. Don't even doubt that. But yes, become sincere towards your health. Second message that I was receiving was, make your thinking like, how can I make this experience very joyful and profitable for myself. Now if you think like, oh my God, I cannot think like that, then how can I let this experience be so dull and painful for me? Do you think thinking like this and living like this is a loving thing to do? Like, okay, how can I let this, I'm okay if this experience is dull and painful for me. I am okay to become part of something that will bring me pain. That kind of attitude is not right, okay? So make sure you are asking, how can I make this experience be very joyful and profitable for myself? Thinking like that is not making profitable. It's yes, making profitable in terms of money, but also in terms of joy, in terms of fun, in terms of genuine love. Okay? And in your friendships and connections, do not water friendships. Like, don't keep investing your energy into the friendships that keeps you on edge. That's very like, okay, that guards the love. Like, the other person is constantly guarding the love, other person is constantly living in suspicion, constantly just giving you enough attention to keep you around. Don't exist there. Your love, is so pure. It is meant to go where it's gratefully received and reciprocated. Sometimes, it's like when someone is truly grateful, when someone is genuine with you, you will feel it. I'm saying like give and take transaction. Even though if there is give and take transaction is going on, make sure both you and the other person knows that transaction is happening and it is happening for the highest good. But if it is happening subconsciously in a manipulative way, then no. You are better than that. You are meant to exist in the energy of epic generosity, wherein people are saying, yes, I have enough for you. I have enough love to share with you. I have enough support for you. I have enough whatever you need. You are meant to exist in friendships like that. You are meant to exist in connections wherein people are yes for you. It's the most beautiful life of generosity. When you imagine yourself, like, imagine this world being so generous with you consistently, repeatedly.
Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, You would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful. And
Okay. Now, number third message that I was receiving was connection with earth, connection with earth, connection with trees, river, water bodies, forests, air. These are all, and let's just take a moment. Let's just take a moment and thank all the people, all the wisest teachers and sages who came before us, and they constantly prayed. It's because of them that we get to exist, or we get to experience the sunshine, we get to experience the clean rivers, we get to experience the nature, because they prayed for that. They prayed for that. They say that gratitude is something that makes that brings you more of. If you are grateful for the love that you have in your life, you will be grateful for more, you will have more love. Whatever you become grateful for, that increases in your life. So these wisest teachers and saints, they were grateful for the forests, trees, river bodies, sunshine. That is why we still have them. It's because of their gratitude. It's because they chose to spend their time into saying thanks to the nature, into praying praying for us, that we also get to experience it. So let's just be grateful. Let's just take a moment and say thanks to all these wisest teachers and saints who came before us. Because of their prayers, their deep prayers are are the reason that we continue to have this blessing of nature, of sun, of river bodies, of and just many more blessings that we feel guided. There are moments where we don't know how did we receive this wisdom. It came because they were these wisest teachers and saints who came before us. They prayed day and night, and they brought that wisdom from astral realm into this world. And so as we breathe in this wisdom, so we gotta take more time and be grateful for them. Is there any other message, Spirit, that you want to know to this, give to this collective through me right now? Oh yes, like as you sleep more, start to take care of yourself more, you're only gonna get richer. You're only gonna get richer as you do the things that are good for you. You're only gonna get richer. And slowly, or like become mindful of the habits. Like, okay, I need to work harder, I need to like working hard is good. Like working, I would say, like, I don't want to use work hard, but like just letting yourself devotion, when you are feeling inspiration towards doing something, it's good, but you still need to set a boundary for yourself. Like, okay, I'm not gonna work after, I'm not gonna do after like 9:30 is my sleeping time, so I'm gonna go sleep. I'm gonna give myself plenty of water, I'm gonna give myself plenty of sleep, I'm gonna give myself proper food, I'm gonna give myself proper sunshine, I'm gonna give myself the deep rest, I'm gonna give my body the deep care that it desires. I'm not gonna overwork myself. No, I'm not available for overworking and overgiving. No, I'm just not available for that. Like, no overgiving, no overindulging, no overworking. No. In order to, your existence is enough to receive. Your existence, listen to me carefully. Your existence, just your existence is enough for you to receive all that you require to take care of yourself in a most beautiful manner. You don't have to struggle, beg, or overwork yourself for that. You just simply need to exist and know fully in your heart that you only need to exist to receive all that you require, for your to take care of yourself better, to take care of yourself better, to let the calm, to have that deep unshakable calm in your heart, and let this calmness grow within you. Let it grow within you. Let it become used to it. Let it grow within you, and let it overflow into every area of your life. This deep calm, this deep peace, this deep harmony. Let it grow and grow and grow deeper and deeper, bigger and bigger, and let it overflow into every relationship every friendship, every interaction that you have with another human, every area of your life. Let this calm flow into every area of your life. My 3 months of mentorship, my 1 month of mentorship, my 1 week of mentorship are available, and it will be very good for your heart to work with me. We will be able to, it's so magical. I'm feeling so sleepy that I don't even want to talk about it right now, but so I'm not gonna. People who feel it, they will be there. I have my journaling course. The wisdom that I've shared inside my journaling course is the exact wisdom that you need to be expanded into your next magic era. I have my ebook called Energetic Activation for Brand New Life. Oh my God, the prayers, the powerful affirmations, intentions, and verses, and just the other knowledge that I have shared. Very powerful, incredibly powerful. You must take my journaling course and my ebook right now, okay? So yeah, that is there. And I also have my one-on-one psychic guidance session and channeled messages. If you need psychic guidance right now, channeled messages for you right now, over Zoom, over a video call, or over a voice note, everything is there. You can also send me generous and loving amounts of tips and donations for my rent, food, bills, etc, etc. Yes. Okay, share your creative gifts with the world unapologetically, and don't let yourself get distracted into the fantasy okay, my creative gift, okay, if I share this, then they will, not to get the validation. No, you gotta just do your part. Let how gods and goddesses of creativity are inspiring you. Keep doing that without getting distracted into unhealthy competition, without getting distracted into receiving appreciation, that desire. Give yourself that validation. Stand in front of the mirror and give yourself the compliments, okay? instead of relying on it for other people, from other people. No, no, no. If you wait for that, if you strive, work for that, like, no, no, that does not work. That it does not work like that. Don't, and you will receive lot of compliments, so then don't get distracted into them as well. Receive them fully from your heart, but stay rooted into your purpose, into your, creative gifts. Okay, yeah.